Is it rolling?
I think so. Hi.
Hi. It's Andi.
And Jay.
I feel like that sounds really dumb.
Andi.
It's your girl, Andi.
And your girl Jay.
Your queens. I don't like any of that. What are we gonna do?
I'll be your guide. I'll be your G-U-I-D-E to the other side.
Who will be your resin? Now, today we are doing our first Will It Resin. So if you follow us on our other platforms, you saw that we are doing Will It Resin series, and that is where we get random ideas, random suggestions from you, and we try and turn them into something beautiful. So our first up was fried pickles.
I'm so excited.
Why?
Because I love fried pickles.
Excited to eat them.
Yes.
So here's the thing. We were gonna make them, then decided we didn't want to do that. So we bought them from the restaurant down the road, and I thought they were like normal. They were round little fried pickles.
They're not.
No. That's why the lady looked at me really weird when I ordered 2 sets. Because she said they came with 6 or 7. So I was like, not enough.
I said that didn't add up to the price.
And I was like, that's not enough, we need 2. And then I told her we were making earrings out of them, and she was like, which would probably be anybody's reaction when you say you're making earrings out of pickles. But she was just like, interesting. Here, you want to? Yeah.
I've been excited. They don't look like pickles.
They're pickle spears. Spears?
Spears.
Pickle spears. So we are going to find a way to turn these into something beautiful.
I have to test it to make sure it's a pickle.
Well, yeah. Something beautiful for you. So we have got all of our stuff.
Want to try it out?
Napkin. I don't know, more hair. This will be the snacking stuff.
Oh yeah.
Ooh,
I got
go pickle.
Okay. I'm ready to try them.
Yeah.
Good pickle.
Okay, so we've got all of our stuff.
Like our coffee. Iced coffee. Important.
So we have the resin and then various molds because we don't know what's gonna really float and like come to us, but something great is gonna come out of this. So here goes.
Okay.
Yes, pick your mold.
I think I'm gonna do a coaster.
Well, I think this mold is out. This mold is teeny, tiny little studs.
This makes me think of a pickle.
Ooh, pickle coaster.
Yes.
I really wanted to try a pickle pop socket.
Oh, that'd be cute. I would honestly have a pickle.
But I don't think
socket.
I would have to chop it up. Like really chop it to be able to fit it that much.
Make it fine, then you wouldn't know it was a pickle.
Oh, it's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. These might work. That's not gonna work. Okay. So you're gonna make a coaster. They're really, really hot. I'm thinking we should let them cool down.
Okay.
Maybe. But we have to mix so we have time. Coloring if you want to color it. With glitter.
Would you mind grabbing me some glitter?
Glitter has the resin.
I'm trying to think of what is a pickle. Like,
what is the essence of a pickle?
I feel like green and silver is the essence. Like most people would go for the green, but like the pickle's already green.
I was gonna think gold, like think gold.
Because the pickle's holy? But like,
I don't know.
Does green and gold go together? Is that a sports team I don't know about?
Green and gold? I know green. Imagine. I don't know.
What state? I'm gonna make Dad a state pickle coaster.
Okay. Which one am I down?
This is not probably big enough for my...
Oh, for yours? No. I'm not doing this. I'm not going to do that.
That's why I sat here.
BRB.
This is my first time resin.
You're a resin virgin?
I am. I think 20 is too much. No, because it's a big coaster.
Yeah, it's a big one.
You can't make the other better one?
They see me stealing my resin.
Ooh, resin, dude.
Resin smells terrible. I hate the smell. It's just coming together real nice. Wonder if I can make him look.
I tried that.
Well, I'm gonna try it worse. I was gonna say better, but I was cutting while I said it, and it didn't turn out the way I had planned. Oh, there's so much grease, like, exuding from it. Ugh.
Oh, what is that pickle?
I know. Oh, I was like, that was a cucumber.
I was expecting, like, do you think that looks good? It's kind of like they're mixed together.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. And you know what I'm gonna add? Look. Because why not?
A little extra fried.
I'm gonna take him. You don't need him, do you?
I don't need him.
A little extra pickle, a little extra fried. Okay.
Yeah.
Do I mix my glitter in? Now, guys, I'm a resin virgin, so I don't really know much. Do I mix my
it in with your resin before you finish? Did you have resin? Oh, that's nice.
I didn't know that was the
lovely. That's the one I put in mine. Yo, that sucker was covered in resin.
When I touched it, I was like, wow, that's a little greasy. Do I even want to eat that? And I was like, no, like no pickle go to waste.
Dude, look. Oh my goodness.
I'm so
looking.
Okay. Learn my lesson. Don't snack and craft.
Keep your snacks separate from your craft. Okay. I do think that my beautiful creation is finished. And spectacular, if I do say so myself. Look at him.
I'm afraid this is gonna.
He's beautiful.
Gosh, I really captured the essence of a pickle.
I don't think you're gonna be able to see this. I'll zoom in. Look at that.
Would you look at that?
You won't believe it, but it's a pickle.
What is that for? Would you look at that?
Look at it.
Would you look at it? I think my pickle's dry a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so I have made a pop socket, a fried pickle, and birthday celebration glitter pop socket. Okay, it's a very celebratory pickle.
It is. They should be celebrated.
Look at that beautiful thing.
Beautiful.
You have made.
It wasn't a coaster, but my pickle's a little higher, so I'm going to make it a paperweight.
Paperweight.
Or it's just like a party favor. You'd be like, here, thanks for coming to my fried pickle party. I made you this decoration.
A fried pickle party. I would attend. I would attend.
I would go to that. You can make them different ways. Like one could be like a Cajun fried pickle, and you dip it in like a lime sauce or something.
Fried pickle.
Ooh. Fried pickle party next weekend.
Fried pickle.
You lost me.
People like chocolate bacon. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let these cure, and then we will pop them out for you and show you what we have made. Inspired by y'all. Yeah. We're gonna eat a little bit more.
No resin. That tastes good.
No resin?
No resin. No resin on
that
that
keto?
one. No sugar.
No sugar. Okay. We'll let these dry. We'll be right back. Andi and Jay in the morning. That's what it reminded me of. Anyways, we are back. We have our resin creations. Our fried pickles. We did them yesterday.
Yes.
They have now cured. And I said it funny. I was like, cured. They've cured. They have now cured. And we are gonna do the reveal. We have tried not to even like look at them or like touch them so that we could get the same effect you do when you see them for the first time.
I've been wanting to take a sneak peek.
She would not let me. I'm gonna touch. Anyway, so I made the pop socket with fried pickles.
And I made the coaster, but it's probably just gonna end up being like a paperweight because the pickles wouldn't stay in.
Yeah, like I thought you said bookend yesterday.
Yeah, it'd be whatever it wants to be.
Yeah, versatile.
Okay, it's a simple decoration.
Drum roll. Let's see if it will resin. Ooh.
Oh, it did.
Oh, yeah, feels hard. Oh, it does not. Look. I mean, it's nice. We have to work on it a little bit. Look at that.
It's kind of got a smell.
does not. Does it really?
Yeah.
Honestly, it smells like resin.
Resin has a
Because
smell.
you resined that pretty hard. Ew. It's like, look, grease. It's kind of cool looking. It's like a cool pattern. So we'll zoom in on this in a second. Yeah, so you get the full effect. You have to look at the beauty color. So you get the full effect. Basically, yeah, it's got like this white, I wouldn't call it mold.
No,
right?
it's like grease.
It's like greasy, or maybe it's fat. Pickles don't have fat.
But they use lard.
Oh yeah, I don't know. It's really it's interesting. It created this weird pattern. But yeah, so
Kind of stresses me out.
okay, can't see it. We'll zoom in a second. It's pretty-ish.
Yeah.
Would it work as a bookend? It does work as a well,
No, it doesn't work as a coaster, but it could be
like a paperweight, like a fancy paperweight.
like a
Little
little.
put like a flashing light behind. it.
Yeah,
So then it's like really dark.
for your fried pickled needs, your aesthetic.
It is so weird. Like it's 3D because you've got your pickles still sticking up,
Yeah, they didn't want to stay.
but like it's hard. That's beautiful.
Yeah, because like even
So
the bready part is hard.
I
It's
will
sticking
pop
up.
this on a pop socket,
I will.
and then we will see, and then we will get some papers and see.
I don't know. I kind of like it just as a decoration. Just like,
It's a really nice decoration.
you know,
It's beautiful.
reminds me of the like sand stuff that kids do, where they like have that design and they fill the sand up and then they just like
yeah.
leave it there. Like, look at my art.
It's beautiful.
That's what I'm doing right now. Look at my art.
It's really pretty. So, yeah, I'm gonna pop this on a pop socket real quick, and we'll come right back, and yeah, then we'll give our official declaration on whether it's resin.
Or not.
Look at that, you guys. Is that not beautiful?
I think it's gorgeous.
I think it's gorgeous. I think I did pretty good.
I think you should put that on your phone right now.
My phone's recording. I don't have my phone. I will take a picture later with it on the back of my phone. But there you go. It does resin. Pickles do resin, and they can be a pop socket. However, should they be a pop socket?
No.
I don't know. What about yours?
Look at that.
Ready?
It looks okay from the front, but it's a business or a party in the back.
Business.
Chaotic. A chaotic party that doesn't know what they're doing. But, I mean, it works. Like I said, you can display it.
Look at this. I want to point this like. Oh, you could hold it as it's like point this gelatinous fat out.
Oh, yeah. Look
Yeah.
at that. And it moves in there.
Yeah. So
Look at that.
look at that.
Look at that.
Look at it. That looks like you bit that one. Like this one right here.
Maybe I did. I don't know.
So we did. We resin fried pickles. We did it. Should we have done it?
It was worth the experience, worth the fun, worth
Yeah.
the fried pickles we got to eat.
Sure. You had a delicious snack. You even had some resin.
I did. I didn't know
Yours?
she had resin to pickle when I went to go eat the pickle.
Yeah, yeah. So, will we start offering these on earthfairexchangeco.com?
If someone wants them.
Yeah, if that were to
You
happen,
can go buy this
we could absolutely
from me today if you want it.
sell you this. However, I don't know that this will be our next collection. It might be. Maybe we'll do like a picnic collection or something. It's not a bad idea. And this would be
Take
part of
fried
it.
pickles on a picnic?
Why would you not?
I don't know. It just doesn't seem like a picnic food to me.
You say pickles.
Yeah.
I don't know. But we did it. Will it resin? Yes, it will.
Will it look pretty? No.
It did. On your idea, pretty. Good. We're done.